I've been making videos on this channel for over 3 years now, and I've been able to at least post one, if not two, three, 7 videos a week. So I'm just gonna share how I've been able to do that without being burnt out. And if I ever felt burnt out, how I would go about it to continue to just keep uploading videos. And not just on YouTube, but stay consistent in life in general. The best part is you don't even have to be perfect at this. Anyone can do this, especially you. So I don't want you to miss out on this. My opinion on burnout is that it only happens for things that you don't like. You don't enjoy doing that thing. And that's because you don't truly enjoy it. There's something that's blocking you from actually enjoying that, or you'd rather do something else. I feel like you won't burn out on things you truly love, that you're ardent about. Because what you truly love, you'll think about it pretty much all the time. Whether that's when you're in bed, in the shower, you're eating, you're watching this video right now. What is that thing that you keep thinking about that you would want to do after you listen to this video? What is that thing that you'd want to do? Now, I feel like there is a difference between burnt out and just either having an off day or you'd rather do something else today. But genuinely, it just feels sickening to try and do that thing. That's when I feel like you're starting to feel burnt out about that. And that'll lead me to my next step of what I do when I realize this burnt out feeling. So here's the to-do list of the things that you can do so you don't just completely forget about this video and forget about me. But before I talk about that, I have to say, if you enjoy these types of chill, low edited videos that just get you what you want, consider subscribing. It's free. You can always change your mind. I try to not be too loquacious, but not too not talkative. So the first thing with the to-do list is to write down what you prioritize. So you can get a piece of paper, if you have a journal, write it in your journal of what you want to prioritize in life. Whether that's the gym, a certain goal you have, a passion, a hobby. What are those things that you think about when you're in the shower or you have some free time? What are those things? I'll give you a second to write them down. And as you're writing this down, I just want to say, I usually film these videos outside with the Sithorism. I like to abracate, but you might be thinking, oi, this guy's using weird vocab words. Well, that's because in my last video, I made it a challenge so people can comment interesting vocabulary words to give me to use in my next video. So that's what I'm doing. If you have any other vocab words you want me to use, put it in the comments. A bit more about who I am. I'm Timothy, 18 years old. I have a project where I help people lower their screen time. It's in the description if you want to check it out. From now on, I'm going to try to give myself a little challenge for every video, so you can be a part of each video and then you can see me do it in the next video. So if you have any ideas for what else I can do besides just say random words, then please let me know. I'd love to try it. But after you write down those priorities, think about your life day to day. And instead of thinking what you can add in your life, like what you can add to try to reduce burnout or do this, what you can add, what system, what method, what lesson, teaching thing you learned from a video. Think about what you can subtract, because I feel like we both try to add stuff in our life when we'll actually feel better or get more done if we just subtract stuff in our life, so that the only things we have to focus on are the priorities that we just wrote down. So the first step was just to write the priorities. The second step was to think about what you can subtract. I really want you to think about that, because the more you can subtract, the more time and energy and focus you'll get on doing those things you actually care about. And then the next thing, if you're feeling a little burnt out or sluggish or rough about any of those things or anything else, write down small action steps which can take less than 5 minutes to do. That'll get you to those goals, get you closer to those priorities in life. Whether that's, for me, filming a video, it's just taking less than 5 minutes to set up the phone, set up the stand, sit here and just tap the record button. That takes less than 5 minutes to do, and it's getting me closer to what I prioritize. So think about what you can do, basically, while I think about what to say next. After you do those 3 things, the next thing would just be to take action. That's that simple 3-step plan you can do to escape your burnout, to escape the rut you're in, and finally see change. If you want to go even like a bonus step, you can comment what your goal is. You can join the like-minded club that I also have in the description, which is free, and share your goals. Get held accountable by other people, meet new people, make friends, do all that amazing stuff. So I'll see you inside the communities. Subscribe if you want, and hope you found this video helpful. See ya.